Let's face it, no matter how well designed a mechanical system is, it won't work as it should if the people using it don't know how to operate it safely and efficiently. That's where providing the right information and support comes in. It ensures that systems, whether they're washing machines, cars, or industrial machines, work as intended. At the same time, technological innovations are constantly pushing mechanical systems to be faster, smarter, and more productive, transforming industries in amazing ways. Let's explore how these two ideas, consumer support and innovation, make systems better for everyone. First, let's talk about how information helps consumers. Imagine buying a high-tech washing machine. It's packed with features, but without clear instructions, you might not know how to use it properly. The result? Clothes that don't come out clean and wasted water and energy. Providing simple, easy-to-understand user manuals, labels, or even video tutorials ensures that consumers can operate the system efficiently and safely. For example, an energy-saving washing machine might come with guidance on the best settings for different loads, helping users conserve water and electricity. Support doesn't stop at instructions. It also includes customer service. If something goes wrong with a system, consumers need access to experts who can help troubleshoot problems. This could mean a call center for quick fixes, or digital tools like apps that offer real-time advice. Regular maintenance reminders, like the notifications you get for oil changes in your car, also help systems run smoothly and prevent costly breakdowns. When consumers understand how to use systems properly, the benefits ripple out. Machines last longer, energy use goes down, and safety improves. A car owner who follows their vehicle's maintenance schedule, for example, gets better fuel efficiency and fewer repairs, while reducing the risk of accidents caused by mechanical failures. Now, let's shift gears and look at how technological innovations are transforming mechanical systems in industries. One major breakthrough is automation. In factories, machines equipped with sensors and software can now perform repetitive tasks more quickly and accurately than humans. Think about car manufacturing. Robots assemble vehicles with precision, cutting down on production time and errors. This increases productivity while keeping workers safe from dangerous tasks. Smart technology is another game changer. Modern mechanical systems often include sensors that monitor performance and alert operators when something needs attention. In agriculture, for example, smart tractors use GPS and sensors to plant seeds with pinpoint accuracy, reducing waste and maximizing crop yields. Similarly, in transportation, smart logistics systems track shipments in real time, ensuring deliveries are faster and more efficient. Energy-efficient designs are also making a big impact. Industrial machines, once known for their high energy consumption, now use technologies like regenerative braking or variable speed motors to cut energy use while maintaining high productivity. These innovations save money and reduce the environmental impact of industries. Finally, 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing. By building objects layer by layer, 3D printers allow companies to create complex parts with less material and faster turnaround times. This technology is being used in industries ranging from aerospace to healthcare, where custom mechanical parts can be made on demand. Together, consumer support and technological innovations create a powerful combination. When people have the tools and knowledge to use systems effectively, and when those systems are designed to be more efficient and productive, the result is a world where work gets done better, faster, and safer.